Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have a lot of people. Yama, AG, Baird goes long, G Jones, Cyrus, Chrono Ember, Doc, Zona Matt, Cheeseballs, Corgo, Jeff, Fat Guy, Prime Cap, Hockey, Shane, Jay Loosh, Cyrus, E-Man, Navy Guy, good morning. I'm using the wrong mic? Huh? What? Hold on. Nope. I don't think so. Wrong sound. Hold on. Good old Discord. What a sack of shit this thing is. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Discord sucks. No, I know. Kick is fine. YouTube's fine. It's just Discord's a bag of shit today. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. It's broken, guys. I don't know what to tell you. No idea. Discord's fucked. No idea. Completely broken. Sorry, guys. All right, well, just join in on Kick because Discord's fucked. Sorry about that. No idea. Don't really care either. So, yeah. There you go. All right, so here, let me go ahead and just end that. Completely pointless. There we go. Yeah, no idea. Discord's completely fucked. So whatever. Anyway. All right, back to the board. T. Paul, Yoon, Chewy, Richard Harris, Master Hernan, Ray Williams, Slim, Mechas, Scott H, Richard Harris, Slim. Good morning. South Tribe Trades, Kevin, Triss, Howard Stover in the Stover clan. What's up, Carl? Dom N. Good morning. What's up, Heinz, Donna? Good morning. Bear Goes Long, good morning to you. Cashflow Buck, Steven, Doomslayer, Cast Trades, Zero, Pork Chops, NZT Trader, NLV, Jedi Trader, Lamar, McCrushin, Bender Tover, Kamanakai, Prop Firms for Keeps, Go Hard Greg, Woodchuck, In the Money, Day Trader Rick, For All Audiences, Pork Chop, G5, Eddie, Brian, Lapsiak, Tiger, Steve Trades, G Jones, Cat and Ads, good morning. What's happening? How's everybody doing this morning? Slim says, first time here and committing. What are we committing to? What are we committing to, baby? What are we committing to? Richard Harris says, record day for me yesterday. What happened? Talk to me, Richard. I want to hear about this record day, buddy. Heard my last name twice. Is there two Richards? God, that would be a nightmare. I believe there are two Dicks in this world. Crazy that in 55 minutes, 61 of our team will be advancing to the top 200, including Rips. Wait, what? In 55 minutes? What do you mean, Fireman? I'm confused now. Huh? Say what? You lost me, buddy. Let me see my ranking. Right now, I am ranked 277. That's what the leaderboard says? No, I'm in 277th place, brother. To get to the top 200, I need to make $8,000. Just to touch over $8,000. Just discovered Indian singing Christmas music last night. Oh, that's a great TikTok. It's hilarious. What was your biggest day, Richard? I want to hear. I want to hear about it. Tell me about it, brother. I put on Bookmap on the screen here. Tell me about it, baby. And the team screen, the top 61 says advancing by their names. Oh yeah, but it's only the top 200 traders right now. It's bugged, so I'll show you. I'm currently ranked 176. I have made 18,567. Nice. Damn, that's super sick. Wait, why'd you try? Like, why are we hiding this person? I want entertainment this person. Don't hide them. Don't hide them. Don't hide those people. Barry, what's up, buddy? So here, let me show you what this looks like, the Grand Cup thing. Here is the Grand Cup. Thank you. So I'm 277. Shitty win rate. Yesterday was the biggest day that we've had in the Cup. Could have made more, but I'm not really focusing on this. So to advance to the top 200, I think 400 places get paid out, so I think I'm going to get some money. I don't know how much. I have no idea. I literally have no idea. I have no idea. So, if I was focusing on this Grand Cup account thing, I'd probably be doing better because I've been focused on my personal account. And you see how that's been going so far. So, traded my personal account before I came live. Traded my Percy. We'll talk about that trade in just a moment here. I posted it on my X if you wanted to see it. But I want to see the, give me a second here. I want to see the leaderboard. Let's see. All right, so I haven't refreshed this in a hot minute, but I want to see it. So we were at 601 versus 401, so 200K lead. Let's see what happens when we refresh it here. Oh, what happened? 547 to 381. Oh, you know what? I think some people got cut out for using micros and minis at the same time. I think that's what happened. That's what Brett had said, at least. So there were some people that were using micros and minis at the same time. Fat Guy in 13th. I Can't Trade. Cheese Balls. A lot of people that are in here right now. Always Ready. JC. J Trades. Randy Marin. A lot of people. I think we're on page 2 still. Yeah, there we are. Page 2. It's funny because I barely remember even trading the account. So yeah, I guess it's weird how this still says advancing. It shouldn't say that. I see what you're saying though. It shouldn't be saying that. Congratulations to you, Cheese Balls. Damn, that's a sick win rate too. You've been really actively trading that. So you're advancing. My whole thing is that if you're in the top 100, do not trade today. There's really no point. Because you got to factor in there's going to be people that are blowing themselves out. I'm going to try to maybe get like a scalp on or something. I don't know. Or I'll just leave it. I don't really know. I haven't really decided yet. But congratulations to all of you legends that have been busting your asses in this tournament. It's going to start back up. So today's the last day. It's going to start back up. Excuse me. It's going to start back up on November 30th where you're going to get a 50K live account. And then you get an 80-20 split. You keep 80% of your profits in that thing. So, I mean, what a tournament. And first place is 200K plus whatever you made in your account. Just go short NQ and Grand Cup, target 425. There's a little bit more to it than that. Richard Harris, the most I've ever made yesterday, but also held my trades longer than I ever have. That's great, man. I love to see when people are turning corners in their trading. It's awesome. It says advantage because the 30% they get eliminated, you're safe in the top 1,000. The competition's over. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, they didn't do the math on the last day. They didn't factor it in. Sell 5 GC, brother. I can't take 5 GC. I'm gonna get popped out. I only have a 2K drawdown, right? Do I have a $2,000 drawdown? Or do I have $9,000 drawdown? I don't know. I think I only have $2,000, right? I actually have 9? No way. Do I really? That kind of changes my approach, actually. It's funny. Oh my God, fucking gold. Holy shit, gold. God, dude. How come that's the first I'm hearing about gold? I've been live for this long, and this is the first I've heard about gold. Fat guy, what are you doing? Why are you telling me about this? I just blame you now, automatically. Why are you telling me about gold? How mean. Dude, what did it break? 4,100? That's crazy. What's our target on gold, fat guy? Is there any like downside targets on this? You posted this morning? Dude, I got so much going on in the mornings, I can never see that kind of stuff. It's annoying. Feel like get bookmap on here. This thing is just getting destroyed. There's a player at 85. Do we take out that 85? Gold target 3,300. That seems a little bit lofty. I'm just gonna put that out there. It seems just a touch lofty. Well, somebody's angry in gold for sure. See if this thing breaks below 85 or it just kind of holds here. PPI in 50 minutes now. There's not going to be any data being released, so I would wait for next week and maybe we start getting some data. Possibly we start getting some data. Oh, there they go, getting a little angry in gold there. I don't know, fat guy. I don't think they want to let 85 go yet. It just feels like they're not ready to tell the story where they're flushing 85 just yet. I can see people are offsides from that flush through 100s, from 4,100. So, can definitely see that. S&Ps are doing the WD up here. You've posted in trade ideas? Let me see. I got to see this. Oh my God, you really did. Wow, you posted early too. I totally missed that. Damn it. I missed all the juicy alpha again. Verizon laid off 15,000 people yesterday. What, like Verizon corporate, or they talk about like retail stores? Or a mix of both? What did you say that your downside target was? Wait, sit here, no reclimb, then it's lights out today? You really think so, huh? Daily looking a little sus in what? In gold or NQ? What are we talking about? Which instrument? Maybe 4080? Maybe? Seems kind of lofty. Gold target is 40.65. Not bad. I mean, it's crazy when it falls out of bed. Like, it just goes nutso when it falls out of bed. But it also, like, as soon as it falls out of bed, it can bounce right back up. That's the thing. Like, it can just go crazy into recovery mode. S&Ps are coming down still here. All right, can start painting the picture much lower into that. If it breaks 40.80, man. It's a range right now, but I'm not playing for my big alpha trade, hoping to retest those lows from last week. What are you looking for? A bounce play down there? Would that be what would make sense to you? Back. The October personal income trending released November 26th. So, and the next month's data will be released on December 19th. So there he goes. That's doing a little something there. Can it actually like break to those 80s? Do we think? This is a weird song. Ooh. It'd make a lot of sense if it snapped this area, right? A lot of liquidity at those 80s still. Nice. All right. I'll take that down. That was in the GC account, or the GC Grand Cup account. So 4K in that. That helps. Thanks, fat guy, or 5K. Thanks, buddy. So we'll see in 10 minutes what that affects our ranking with. Sweet. Thanks, fat guy. Love you, buddy. Appreciate it, man. Free alpha, dude. Thanks, bro. So I wonder then. Oops, I wrote 15 in there. Here. Here. Okay. Seems fair. Cool. Is anyone still short from last night? ESNQ, GC, and still holding? I don't know. It's a good question, Gary. Anybody out there? It's a fantastic question. Pitch and catch on NQ. Nice. Schmammer it. Schmammer that, baby. A lot of movement this morning. Yeah, I'm turning that one off. This is a weird song. Any news today? Nothing I'm aware of now, because the government shutdown is so fresh, you know? So I'm not personally aware of anything, but you never know. No Discord, yeah. No Discord stream. It's fucked up. I couldn't figure it out. It's completely fucked up. Do 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 do. Ging 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 ging. Rips on ES, do you see target level of 6880? I mean, it's definitely 6680. Yeah, definitely a level of interest for sure. Got to break through 85 flushes, you'll get right down into there. 78 is more interesting though. Couldn't trade the whole week and finally can trade now. NQ looks shitty, at least for me. What? It looks nice. What, do you not like shorting? 85 if that breaks. Watch out below. What part looks shitty to you, man? Let's see if it bounces around this 85 area at all in S&Ps. If it holds weak under 85, I think we'll trade down to like this 70 area, perhaps. And then maybe make a new low here below 70. So watching. Little traffic at 75. Cool. So we're up about 40K on the day so far. Check that out. There really isn't much volume underneath us on NQ, so I wouldn't be surprised if it just face rips to the downside. Yeah, but I got to cover there. You know, I'm trying to be the smart money. I don't see the bounce. That's why we cover there. As much as I wanted to make 250 grand on that trade, I can't. I got to follow the rules of the market. I got to cover with the market makers, man. Oh yeah, points gamble. Let's see. It's a good cover. I'll say that. You know, I do agree with you. It is a pretty goddamn good cover. I do agree with you. It's a good cover. Not bad. All right, let's do a points gamble. What do we want to do? 835. We're back in 24 land. Cover, you mean just taking TV? Cover, I mean when I'm in bed and the things that keep me toasty and warm. Talk about like covers, brother. Let's do... I'm going to give you 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, when I talk about covering, I'm covering my short. Covering my short. That's it. That's it and that's all, baby. Just covering a short. New to your channel when we subscribe. Subscribe to what? Subscribing is free, brother. I don't want your money, believe it or not. Why the fuck would I want your money? It's free, brother. It's free. The fuck do I want your money for? Save your money. It's free. Always free. I would go on Kick though, because in addition to it being for free, you also get free shit for watching me. I give back to the community a lot of stuff. So like free Lightning funded accounts, free Apex accounts, free all sorts of shit. You know? All sorts of free things. Hit my MGC target. Dude, did it really slam 63? Holy fuck. Dude, fucking A. I should have just traded GC, man. Jesus. Fuck. All right, I gotta see lower now. I could have made, well, I always think I could have made more, but I never would have traded it like that. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah. Okay, we got some more downside potential. First time, big fan. Nice, man. Thanks for being here, broskies. At least I didn't start the stream saying, oh, I'm probably not going to trade my account. In 2 minutes, we can check what happened to the leaderboard standings. Am I wrong in thinking usually GC and NQ, SP move opposite? Yeah, but there's times when they all move in the same direction, believe it or not. I know, because gold is a fixie, safe haven asset, you know, compared to equities. So usually, but gold has not been moving like a safe haven. It's been moving like a fucking animal. So you're not wrong in thinking that, Sean. How many people gambled? Let's see. Oh my God, barely anybody. What's wrong with you folks? Come on. Wait, why can't I see how many people gambled? They used to show me. I can't see the number of people who gambled anymore. What the fuck? Why can't I see that anymore? Do I have a code for Lucid? No, I've never used Lucid before. So I can't really, I don't know if they're any good or not. I'm sure they are if people use them. I don't know how many people were in the fucking gamble. It's annoying me. Whatever. By the way, when we cut the YouTube stream, we're going to have some bangers today. We got some bangers today. I go to F1. I got invited to a couple of the parties. I'm not going to go to the race because it's too late. Here we go. Bottom of the hour. I don't know why they're fucking clearing liquidity, but let's find out. It'll be interesting to see what happens historically when that occurs. I mean, you know. Let's see what happens, dude. I'm not expecting anything. Let me just double, triple check here. 20 seconds until we find out. Canada data. Yeah. It's Canadian manufacturing data. Dude, gold is still eating shit. Oh my God, man. Gold is getting schmackled. Bro, the spreads in NQ are so bad. Like, it's like unreal. Dude, it's so thin too. Fucking love these markets, man. Canadian manufacturing has to move the market. I mean, barely. It did, but I mean, it's kind of like a little pause in the drawdown. Like, what are they gonna do? It's still too thin. What did I make yesterday? I made over 40 racks yesterday, so another 40 today. This week has been insane. I think I might have made 170 this week or something. I don't even know. I think I'm up 270 something this month so far. So it's been a sick month. Big dump on MNQ, instant money, nice. Too thin for me to touch that, even though I just wouldn't. Point of interest today? What's point of interest? What point of interest of what? Is that your highest weekly average? Since I've started this account, I think yes. I think. But it's I mean, if you're looking at percentages though, it's probably in line with like, cause if you're looking at like the balance of the account that starts the month and how much percentage I've gained, it's probably in line, you know? Don't remind me on gold, you missed out 2K gains. I missed out a lot more than that. If I was trading gold, it's fine. It's fine. I'm satisfied so far with this morning's performance. No PPI, brother. There's no US data releases at all coming for a hot minute. Nice bounce there in NQ. It's crazy the amount of points that are available right now. If you're just on the right side of things, there's so many points available in this market. It's unreal. Can you explain why you use no smoothing for bookmap? Because I can see it clear. It's just the way that I perceive it. Your mileage may vary, brother. It's just the way that I perceive things and see things, and it's what works for me. But it might be the worst possible thing that you could do for your bookmap. Everything is within the eye of the trader, right? The way that I see the market may be the way that you never see the market. Like, you might find out that you're the best reversals trader on planet Earth. Do you know? When you say it's thin, could you elaborate? Is it bearish or bullish? It's neither. The market is thin. It's lacking liquidity. There's gaps in prices. Like, there's ticks that don't even have liquidity in them. Like, for instance, like right now, it's moving very fast, but like 23 evens don't even have an offer. So it like goes 22 3/4 and then 23 1/4. There's no offer at 23 evens. That's a thin market. Gaps of liquidity. Gary Baker says, I'm done for the day. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye. Thanks, Gary. How'd you do? Before you go, let us know. I don't even want to think about the millions fat guys raked in this one. Why? That's inspiring. It's fun. It's inspiring to hear about other people crushing the market. At least for me, it turns me on. Hi, Ribs. You spoke the other day about how your average daily profit has increased over the last 12 months. Did I? No, I just said it's... No. I'm saying that in this account, I've been scaling up my profits because the account itself has been scaling up. That's it. Up 3K on the day, 1 for 150K Express, time to quit. It's up to you, man. I mean, that's a great day, huh? It's a fabulous day. Nothing wrong with that at all. Dude, PNC is nonstop this morning. It's crazy. ICT is shouting at everyone in his stream. Probably because he looked at my P&L this morning and it really fucking upsets him. That guy gets so mad because I talk so much shit to him and I'm the only person that can back it up because all he does is talk shit to other people. He's like, you're not even doing it in a real account. And I'm like, yeah, check this. Let me slap my cock on your forehead. Mushroom stamp. Fuck him right in the... And he gets so fucking mad about that. Because I erase all of the little fantasy that he tries to tell. He sucks dick at trading. He's the worst live trader that has a following. Well, actually, you know, he's tied with some other dipshits out there, but he is absolutely king of the dipshits. The worst trader. Gabrielle says, before we used to see your P&L above your camera, not anymore. That was for Trading View. I changed the layout. See, layout's completely different. If you'd like, here, let me just... Here. That's not it. Is it? Trying to find it. Hold on. There we go. There you go, Gabrielle. That's roughly above my head. Like, hold on, let me see. Can I make it like... There we go. Is that better for you? I'm bouncing it on my head like a football now. Is that better? You feeling better? Okay, cool. Gold selling like crazy, $10 like it's nothing. Is it still doing the thing? Yeah, it's nuts. It's insane. It's moving a lot. Ribs, ICT is teaching the market maker sell model on his live. What the fuck does that mean? The market's selling off and he's trying to claim that when the market sells off, I created that. I created when the market sells off. God told me. God came down and told me when the market sells off, that's your method. Buddy's never heard of a sector rotation in his life. Buddy's never heard of a bubble in his life. Buddy's never heard of gamma pressure in his life. It's fucking insane. He created it. Folks, when the market sells off, that 60-year-old bearded retard created that. Just so you know. I love it, but yeah, volume doesn't matter either. If I create it, you wouldn't know who I am, but with some banks, most value customer, yeah, I mean. He appeals to the dumbest fucks on the planet. I'll just tell you that right now. He appeals to the dumbest pieces of shit on the planet. Just retards. Retards who have no idea. And a lot of people have the sunk cost fallacy because they follow the teachings for years and years and years, obviously without any success. And then they're like, fuck, well, I'm so deep into this. I'm sure everybody else is crushing it with that. And everybody's like, dude, did you see Lanta was an ICT trader? And somebody asked him, they're like, hey, Lanta, would you give ICT any credit for your success for making 1.5 million in 3 days? He goes, nope, absolutely not. His chat is not on. Jeez. Is he actually live streaming right now? What a dipshit. Live streaming a paper account. Unfucking believable. At least he stopped posting him trading paper trades on his phone with his little fruity voiceover.
Hi there, and then this is the gap, and then the turtle soup, and then.
Broccoli-headed peanut butter bitches. Pretty much. Nice bounce of gold. I don't know what to watch because every single asset is falling down like heavily. Lanto is a legend. No. Lanto's dope. The fuck? Lanto's dope, guys. I said, like, I'm not saying Lanto's not dope. I'm saying that it's funny that somebody asked, they're like, wouldn't you credit ICT to all your success? He's like, fuck no. I'm gonna give him 0 credit. Guy's a joke. Good morning. All please be careful with OPEX today. Fuckery at its best. It is OPEX, but it's not MOPEX. So definitely want to note that. Dude, gold is down $100. It's $1 million on 100 contracts. Fuck. Do you have any thoughts on how far the market will fall? No. Like, dude, I didn't write the algorithm, so I don't know. But that's the funny part. Like, if ICD really cared about all of his people so much, why the fuck doesn't he tell everybody the exact price that we're going to reverse at? Like, if he is who he claims he is, why wouldn't he just say, so the market's going to go down to 24,160, and then it's going to reverse there, and it's going to bounce back up to 24,320, and then it's going to reverse again and flush below 24,100. Do I read this chat? No, I don't, Golden Ratio. You know, like, if he actually cared about his followers, but instead he's like,
did you see it? Did you see it? I called it. Blah, 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 blah.
I'm just starting out. Do you think 300 win and stop for the day is a good thing to do for the first payout, then rotate into buying more accounts? I don't know, man. It depends on your budget. He has over 5,000 people watching. I guarantee you that about 5% of those people are from America. I'm just going to leave that there. Greer going to be talking about tariff stuff. Interesting. Dude, I just wonder how violent the open's going to be. It's probably just going to be insane. Did I pay out the channel points yet? 24,705. Let me see. 835. And then we'll do another gamble here. 835. 690. Oh. The belows win. Ah, nice. Okay, do you have any recommendations on laptops for order flow reading? Laptops for order flow reading. Currently running a Mac, but I want a laptop because I mean, why a laptop? Why not get a PC? But check out Origin PC or Razer or MSI. I mean, if you're choosing between some laptops, you can let me know and I can tell you. But I mean, there's a lot of good ones now, but you can try to get one with some dedicated WAM. Dedicated WAM, and then make sure it has dedicated VWAM. There you go. Let's do 905. 905 is gonna be the next one. Let's see here. It's 5 minutes. 5 minutes for this one. And this is gonna be for 905, right? Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. Have the Fed said anything about channel points? Not yet. They might be lowering the cost pretty soon. How many contracts would you trade with a 2K mil funded account? 2K mil. 2,000 million? Is that 2 billion? He's screaming again? No way. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna pipe in the audio from his stream real quick. I gotta hear this. This is gonna be hilarious. Hold on. What's up? Okay. See if we can pipe in the audio here. Hold on. Turn down our music here. Okay. Pipe in the audio. Okay, let's listen. Yeah, I mean, I kind of agree with what he's saying there, if we're being honest. Yeah, I kind of agree with what he's saying. It makes a lot of sense when you think about it. So I have to agree. Kind of agree with what he's saying. He makes a good point. Whew! Oh, God. Mark is getting clapped again. Dude, there's a lot of people that are... Like, these are big positions that are coming undone. Big. Greer on live. Yeah. I know. He's yapping a lot right now. It's dangerous, though, because... I mean, what is he going to say, though, to... Tariffs are all gone. I don't know. What would he say? I don't know. Full port, whatever he says. That's funny. I'm telling you where this is. It's funny. He says, I'll tell you where it's going, except for, like, tell us the price then. Tell us the exact price, bro. Stop using such vague bullshit where you give yourself two doors. If it goes up, you gave yourself the door over here. And if it goes down, you gave yourself the door over here. And then you come back and you say, see, I told you. It's like the lowest form of retardation, in my opinion. Ding, 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 ding. What did you say, Sovereign Pulse? I don't want to mess up my YouTube algorithm. Yeah, it's true. I don't want to do that either. I still don't get why he terraches with dollar chart. Why not NQ or ES or how many trades dollar? What? Markets all-time highs. Wouldn't be surprised people taking profit end of the year. Yeah, for sure. Definitely profit taking. Definitely AI bubble. Definitely sector rotation. You know, there's a lot of things. Or it's the algorithm, man. The singular algorithm that powers the whole damn thing. TW says you give him too much credit. I've met plenty of retards who are much smarter than him. Yeah, I've seen some pretty retarded people that are smaller or smarter than him. Can we build an algo that purposely fucks ICT concepts? The problem with that, Brad Trader Matt said, can we build an algorithm that purposely fucks ICT concepts? The problem with that is that ICT traders, none of their orders hit the tape because they all trade in the same brokerage. It's called TradingView Paper. So the problem with that is that none of their orders are ever hitting the tape. That's why they don't put volume on their charts, by the way. Why use volume when you don't have any volume interacting with the market? Psh, take it off your chart, man. Pointless. Just take the whole damn thing off. What is that, Scott Barton? This is ridiculous. He's trying to show everyone on a candlestick chart where institutional orders are being filled and liquidated. He says shit like this candle has to be at least 1,000 lot. Well, how could he say that if he's not using volume? I thought volume doesn't mean anything. Is any of this prop trading on the charts though? Fuck no. None of those props are hitting the tape, brother. But my orders hit the tape. These orders hit the tape, dog. Big difference. Do you work with a daily monetary goal and then stop trading? No, I trade with the flow of the market. I have mental capital that I like to respect. So when I don't have mental capital left, I usually stop trading for the day. What's up, E Gamboa? How are you? What is... Wow, man, you're up 855,000. That's insane. You got to post that and then tag ICT. He'll be like, one of my students made 855,000 this morning. That's funny. You should post that and tag him. He'd love to shout you out for that. Starting to find out my version of it. What does that mean? Am I done for the day? I don't know, man. We'll see. Like, I would hate to be short into this type of move that just went 40 handles to the moon and like be off sides and be like, why the fuck did I continue to trade? I was up 40 bandos. It's Friday, by the way. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm up 40 bandos, dude. The want for me to trade on a Friday when I'm up 40 large, kind of low. Kind of low. Let me see what we're up on the month now. I have absolutely no idea. And it doesn't matter to you guys, but I just want to know. Oh, shit. Fuck. That's actually a lot. 241, 360 plus 39775. I'm up 281,000 on the... So that's 10 trading days. So an average of $28,000 a day right now this month. Not bad. Here he rips about ICT, but don't you agree that he's done a lot for the trading community? He spreads a good message minus ego. I would have mad respect for him if he did it without all the bullshit. I would have mad respect for him if he did it without all the bullshit. If he came out and he's like, I have no emotional control. I can't trade myself, but I think I'm a pretty good teacher. Right? If that was my case, if I couldn't trade a personal account and I was on here trading props every day, I would level with you and I'd be like, bro, I tried trading a personal account, fucking impossible for me. But what I can do is I can trade prop accounts. I blow a lot of them. And here's the deal. I can see the market well, but I just can't execute it well. I'd be honest with you and I'd level with you. There's a lot of value in that. But when you sit here like an asshat, like a cocksucking moron, and you're like, hey, I invented the algorithm. I know exactly where it's going to go. And you fucking, all you're concerned about is like predicting price to people in third world countries. I mean, it's just fucking weird, man. So no, I can't agree with you. I don't think that there's any value there because it's a cocksucking fuckstick that is trying to fucking fluff his own ego to people who live in third world countries. It's fucking weird, man. Like, trade your trades, post your results, and if you have something to teach, teach it. Simple as that. If I couldn't personally trade, I would tell you that. I'd be like, I suck at trading, you know? I prove to you every single day that that's not the case. And then I try to teach along with it. And I do this all for free. So, you know? So I can't agree with you. If I could do this all for free, and I do it without the bullshit, you know? Again, if I was like a dog shit trader in my personal account, I wouldn't even have one up on screen. I would be like, it's not my thing. You know? Trading personal accounts very hard. Just reported ICT on YouTube for misleading information. It's funny how that works, huh? Does anyone remember when ICT said, if I don't make 11,000% in the 2024 Robbins Cup, I owe Patrick Whelan 500K? Yeah, but of course they're never going to pay. He doesn't have 500K liquid, which is a joke. Like, dude, the best trader in the world. He doesn't have $500,000 liquid. He lives in a fucking McMansion in middle America that costs $300,000 at best. He leases Corvettes that cost maybe $800 to $1,000 a month. He lives off of YouTube revenue. He's a fucking clown fuck. Like, these are just the realities of the situation. You know? He's a shit eater that eats shit and sucks dick. In less vulgar terms. Rips, is that the fixed range volume profile on TradingView? It is the dynamic visible range volume profile. So whenever I move it, it reshapes the volume profile. That description is accurate for 90% of YouTube out there. I mean, dude, trading is a tough gig. If everyone is just honest about it. Like, do I ever come on here and I'm like, hey man, if you just tune in 30 days, you're gonna be a profitable trader. You're gonna be like millions of dollars. No, I tell you, like, hey man, you're lucky if you can get profitable in your first 3 years. You're fucking very lucky. You've been dedicating a lot of time to it. People are like, I've been trading for 4 years. I still can't figure it out. I'm like, yes, that's exactly what it is. There you go. Now we're in reality. Great. It's, you know what I mean? Like, I try to get people to live in reality versus the fantasy because I've been through the bullshit. I've been trading real money for the majority of my career. The only time I stopped was like 2 years ago when I focused on props for my group. I still traded real money on the side, but not like publicly. You know what I mean? Anyway. All right. So we were at 277. Let's see. On the refresh. 231. Hey, on that gold trade. I could have made way more. But so if I can make 4K more, I get to the top 200. I'm just going to, you know what? I'm just going to let it ride, I think, into the sunset and just hope that people fuck up. Hope people bury themselves. Your X reply yesterday made my entire year. Suck my balls, eat my... Dude. Dude. It's funny. That was my most popular tweet from yesterday. This is my most popular tweet. Was me saying suck my balls and eat my ass. What has X become? What was the alpha in that tweet? Trading futures for 2 years and still working to become profitable. Again, very normal. In line with expectations. Can't trade gold on the Tradeify. Yes, you can. Stop it. Yes, you can. I traded gold on the Tradeify Grand Cup, brother. Pat Weiland was talking smack about you yesterday. What was he saying? He's so good. He makes $28,000 a day. I wish I could do that. What is there to shit talk about me? I'd love to know. Elaborate on that one. Man, he sucks so much dick. He makes $28,000 a day on average this month. He trades a live account in front of people. He crushes it. Man, I fucking hate that guy. He's the worst. Took me nearly 4 years until I got my first payout. I get payouts regularly now, but I still suck at trading from time to time. That's totally normal, man. Completely normal, brother. Everyone can learn technical analysis, but the biggest challenge in trading is you. Yes, it's you against yourself. Fat guy, how'd you do, buddy? I haven't been looking at gold. Holy shit, it did the thing. I mean, it's getting a little freaking easy down here, but yeah. Was there a follow-up to that? Or are you just trying to make shit up? Bottom for gold or more downside? Fuck if I know. I've been watching the order flow in gold. I just know that we had a huge bounce in NQ. It did the thing, now gamma trading, nice. Fat guy, how'd you do this morning? Talk to me. Talk to the people. The people are curious. Because I want to know too. I would love to know. Did well. Good. Well, that's all that matters, baby. Did well? Hell yeah. Taking a peek at yesterday. Make sure I don't show anything in this. Ding, 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 ding. Yesterday's broker statement. CR means credit. So this is yesterday, day before, day before, day before. So that's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. That's this week. Whee! Bet on Grand Cup 200th place balance? Maybe. Have you tried using shorthand on the space MVTC? Cleans up the... No, I don't want that. No. TR Professor, I've been waiting for your response. You never did a follow-up there. It's terrible. He said you can't trade and that the only reason why your team is winning the Tradeify Cup is because your team, not you. Okay, well, I mean, that's an opinion not based in reality, right? Are you making this up? Because, I mean, that's a ridiculous statement, right? Okay, so let's go through that. I'm ranked 23 on my team. By the way, I don't really focus on this account, nor do I really care about it. I have a 100% win rate. I continue the 100% win rate today. And then I just showed you a brokerage account, a real brokerage account, where I've been pulling in $28,000 a day on average just this month alone. So I don't really understand. Anyway, send me if you want. Send me the clip, and then we could watch it live on stream. If you send me like the timestamp, we could watch it live on stream, and we could go and break it down piece by piece with reality, if you'd like. And then I can go through it. I'd be really mad too if I was the jealous type of personality. When I see other people crushing it, I celebrate them, right? Not an ounce in jealousy of me when I see other people crushing it, because I'm confident in my own abilities, right? You see weak men who don't have confidence in their own abilities. Very weak men out there who have no confidence in their own abilities will attack others that are crushing it, right? That's just how that is. Discord's broken, Julius. Art says, I'm at 6K on the account you gave me 2 weeks ago, Ripsy. Let's go. Is that a Lightning funded account? Is that one of them Lightning fundeds? PW never said that, Ribs. That's what I say. Like, there's just people that try to stir up bullshit. That's what I'm saying. Like saying something completely unbased in reality is just doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Goodbye. That's funny. And, you know, there's people are going to go in streaks, you know, people are going to go in streaks. People are going to have rough streaks, but I always keep it real with you guys. And I'm proud to do that. I wake up every single morning. I come on this stream. I keep it real with you 100%. If I'm having a bad day, you see it. If I'm having a good day, you see it. And I don't keep, it's fully transparent. I don't keep anything from you. And I think there's true value in doing that. Taking any trades today? Yeah, we've been hard at work, brother. We're up $39,000 already. If we can, if you'll indulge me a little bit, can we just call it 40K? Rips, how were you as a prop firm trader and why it's no longer worth it for you? Well, I pay about 29% on my profits and there's no profit split. I pay about 29% tax on my profits. When I'm trading on prop firms, it's not my own money. I have to pay a prop firm to use their money. When I started trading 11 years ago, I started trading with my own money. The only reason I started trading props was because people in my group wanted to see it. That's it. I'm a real money trader, bro. During COVID, I did not stream a paper account and try to deceive people, right? There's streamers out there that did that. They streamed equities in a paper trading account and to deceive their audience. I was busy trading real money. I had some of the best trading days of my life during COVID. My PRs were all during COVID. Best week, best day, best month, best year, all of that. So I pay about 29% effective tax rate on this account. There's no profit split. I trade my own real money. It's just what I do. I'm a real trader. I'm a real boy. I'm a real trader. I don't know of another streamer that is in this streaming space, in this prop space, that trades real money or came from real money. I just don't. So. Yeah, my profit split is with the government. What are your PRs during COVID? 7 figures. I have no 8-figure trades, but 7-figure trades. 29% federal and state combined. I don't have state tax here in the lovely state of Nevada. So 29% is my effective tax rate. What is this? Bentley? That looks similar to mine. Let's see. Oh, this is like a limited edition one. That's crazy. It's fucking sick. That's super sick. Is it like all... Actually, no, it still looks comfortable inside. That's sick, man. Wow. I wonder when that's coming out. Currently in pre-production, only available in specialized markets. Is it hybrid or is it all gas, all petrol? Yeah, I might get that. Dude, every single time I like look to get a new car, I'm like, I just love mine so much. That's really sick looking. Super dope. Are we gonna put this to bed now, TR Professor? Because I think that people are saying you're full of shit. So we'll just let that be then. Give away a Bentley on stream. I did yesterday. You missed it, man. Good morning, Ripsky. How is Vegas? I love it, man. I love living in Vegas. It's amazing. It's a beautiful place. Where's a good small stakes cash game in Vegas? Literally any casino. The Wynn, Bellagio, the Aria. Is it Aria? Yeah, Aria. Did you originally make your first 7 figures through trading or through other ventures? Other ventures. I had money when I first started trading. Yeah, Wynn is good, dude. You won that Bentley waiting on delivery. Thanks, Ribs. Yeah, dude, I think it shows up today. We did the overnight. When am I playing poker? I was supposed to play today, but then I made plans with my wife instead. So even if they call me as an alternate today, I'm not going to play. It was going to be on the No Gamble, No Future stream. So Saturday's game is completely full. And today's game was the one I was going to play. So even if they call me and they're like, hey, you're up, I'm not going to be there. So got fourth in the deep stack, $1,000 buy-in years ago. Nice. What was prize for first place? 1K buy-in. I'm guessing probably like 18K. When will my laptop be shipped out that I won last week? You should already have it, Black Amex. I'm surprised that you don't. Buenos dias from the beautiful Mexico. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, ¿y tú, Isma? ¿Qué parte de Mexico? Am I a momentum trader or what type of trader? Momentum, order flow, auction theory, discretionary. 2027 657 twin turbo V8. Oh, it's a V8, bro. Why don't they do a dub 12 in that thing? See, that's the thing that's hard about getting rid of my car is that they don't make the W12 engine anymore. So, or at least I don't think they do. What stakes you usually play? When I was playing heavily, 100, 200, or 200, 400. The gamma thingy that you said earlier, I don't know. I say a lot of things, so I don't remember. You got to be more specific. No idea. No clue, baby. TR Professor, did you ever get the timestamp? Because if you don't, in the next 5 minutes, and you were starting shit for no reason, you're banned. Because I don't believe you anymore. Nobody interested in buying leaps down here? I mean, not yet. Porsche just filed a patent for a W18 engine? I mean, what, for racing? Maybe, not for a road car. W18 would be insane. Do you invest in stocks? I buy leaps. Who's your futures broker and what charting software do you use? TradingView is who I use for charting. Also for execution, my broker is AMP Futures. They are regulated FCM out of Chicago, self-clearing. Rips is ripping while the rest are tipping. Amen, brother. Put that on the back burner. I mean, dude, it's not even that far. Like, it's really not that. Like, let's go to the whatever. Like, really, it's not that. We're not that far down, brother. Like, when we get down here, maybe that's lead tone right here. Refresh the leaps. He freaks out when we have a pullback from highs. It's not that big of a deal. Markets move, bro. Markets move. Rips, why did you quit EdgeClear? I didn't quit them. I moved from EdgeClear to AMP simply because their margin requirements were getting too spicy. I moved out of EdgeClear when I had like a $600,000 bounce or something. Did we pay out the gambles yet? 905. Okay, so let's see here. 905. I get this candle. Was 745, right? 745, that looks right. So that is going to be a Bubs. Wow, the Bubs win this? Hold on. Yo, is that for real? The Bubs win? Oh my God. Congratulations to our Bubs here. Let's go, baby. Bing bong. All right, we're going to do one more for 945 here. 24, 750. So if you're new to Kick, now is going to be your time to gamble. Let's do this. Actually, this. You're going to get, I'm going to give you 10 minutes to gamble on this one, okay? 10 minutes. That was insane odds, dude. Insane. Why do you change your broker from EdgeClear to AMP? Because of their margin requirements. That was it. There was a position that I took where they're like, oh, we're going to have to start monitoring your margins more. I was like, what? I have 600,000 in the account. What do you guys? AMP has a crazy algorithm that flushes out positions when people are like close to margin. Obviously, we're not going to have that issue ever unless there's like, if I'm in a position, somehow my stop gets skipped over and like there's a 10,000 or 1,000 point move in the NQ, all this, which can happen. It can happen. Anything can happen. Like, but like, you don't want to be owing the brokerage, and the brokerage doesn't want to be owed money from its clients. It's horrible. So AMP has a better algorithm to protect that. Edge Clear was my IB to Dorman, and Dorman didn't have those tools. They're just antiquated, I guess. So that was why I switched over to AMP. AMP is great. The executions are incredible. I love AMP. Just 3x my points. Probably done for the day. You sound like me, man. Oh, I'm probably done here for the day. That's it. Literally red, and everything is so demoralizing, so I'm looking for anything. That's called desperation, my friend. You shouldn't be looking for trades because you're red. You should be looking for trades because there's a setup. Do you understand the difference? You're looking for anything. That's why you're talking about leaps? Yeah, man, that's called desperation. That's not how trading works. That's how you dig yourself into a deeper hole. No, I get it, but I'm just saying that's across all types of trading, brother. Red means you're desperate and you're looking for, how do I fix this? That's the worst way to trade. What is that, E-Man? That's why I stuck in the sim. Yeah, well, that's fine. Just filled out the AMP application this morning, switching from Ninja. What are you using for your executions? What did you choose? That oil call for the move back up to 60 need to get rips into oil trading? Yeah. How do you feel when execute on live market versus prop? I've been trading real money for the majority of my career. So it's props are the weird part for me. Props are the outlier thing. I traded real money, dude. I've been trading real money. It's how it's always been. You'll be laughing driving my Prius. What is this? I missed this. Trade 2 contracts? Interesting. Your PA Apex. Okay. This is an AMP account. This is a brokerage. It's a brokerage out of Chicago. It's an FCM. I have $1.176 million in it. Cash. I've made $39,775 today. This is not an Apex account. This is a singular brokerage account. Are we on the same page? Questions are so fucking weird on YouTube all the time. So fucking weird. Please kick YouTube, get the bangers in here. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Let's see. Let's see what the follow-up is. Do you see yourself looking at the chart after years of experience, or just wait for certain times of the day? I always look at my charts in the morning when I'm doing my morning memo. I'm writing that out. Yes, I know, but before I saw you trade with Apex, are you stopping trade with prop now? I trade props only for reviews for the community. That's it. I'm not trying to trade props to make money. If I want to make money, I trade my own account. But like, you know, I touch and go on a Tradeify account that I just got a $15,000 payout from. The balance for the second payout is almost there, so I might take a second payout on this, but I'm not like focused on that to trade. I focus on my own real money because I like making real money. Man, these people are exhausting. Worry about rips account. I don't know. Yeah, it's weird, man. It's fucking weird. Everybody must be getting clapped this week. I don't get it. Like, Friday energy is just fucking... Maybe it's just YouTube chat. I don't know. Would you happen to know what prop firm has the lowest commission price? There's no commissions on props. I mean, there's sim commissions, but it's not like that. There's sim commissions. That shouldn't be something that you're worried about, you know? They're not used to seeing someone trade real money in this space. You're the only one. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, I can understand. Very quick money since your account is 7 figures. No need to waste time with prop, man. It's not even about that, though. You can lose a lot of money in a 7-figure account. I like that, too, when I get like comments on X. It's like the reason why he's winning is because he just DCA's Infinity in his brokerage account. It's like, okay, DCA Infinity, and then it keeps going against you. Do they just wipe the trade? They just go, oh, don't worry about that. You DCA'd Infinity, and it just goes against you forever for the rest of the day. Like, let's just imagine. Like, it's the dumbest fucking comment I see. Let's just imagine. Okay, I'm short and terrible entry. Short. And let's just say the market goes like this for the rest of the day. So I DCA'd infinity here. I'm at max 100 short. So what happens to my account when the close is all the way up here? Like what happens? What happens then? They just go, we'll call it a gimme, bro. Don't even worry about it. What would that be? How big of a loss? That'd be a $650,000, $630,000 loss. They just go, you're good. Don't even worry about it, bro. That's all good, bro. Keep up the Twitter shit. It's great. DCA infinity, man. People are so fucking retarded, dude. Yes, the balance of the account is how you win. The bigger balance you have in your account, the more money you win. That's how it works. For sure, man. Amp will just reset your account. No, yeah, they would. They'd reset it pretty close. They don't do $50 resets, yeah. Eventually you'll retire as we all do. No, I won't. I promise you I won't. What's your thoughts on that as a dollar bet? No, dude. I'm obsessed with creating and feeling productive. I can't sit still, man. I like to feel productive. It's one of the reasons why I still have YouTube chat up. Because there's like, it's a game in a game for me. Like, it's a challenge. It's funny. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm like, oh man, what's the next dumb shit gonna say? I can't wait to hear this one. Do you know what I mean? As bad as it sounds, it's kind of like, I don't know. Do you know anyone like yourself that did just one day make X amount and walk away? No, dude. Most of the people that I hang out with are still like, dude, I have a friend of mine that recently sold out to a huge Fortune 500 company, has more money than he could ever, like multiple lifetimes worth of cash. And he's still creating. He's working on a new venture right now. Some people just like to create, you know? Some people just like to build. Some people just like to, you know, do things. I can't sit still, man. I don't want to not do anything. It's boring. I like to do shit. All right, let's see if we got enough likes. No, we didn't. Damn. All right, we're wrapping up here, YouTubers. I'm going to be on kick for the rest of the day. 39,775 for the day. Good day. Have a great weekend. Don't drink and drive.